How to add specification option on your product page in Shopify Horizon theme. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. So first you will need to just go ahead and log into your Shopify main dashboard, and then from here you simply just want to go ahead and click on Edit Theme from the Online Store tab. Once this is open, you simply just want to go to the main default product page. Once you're in this page, you simply just want to go ahead and click on Product Information. And then just go ahead and go below product description and you should be able to add a block. Click on that. Scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find accordion. You simply just want to go in and click on it. And now we have these tabs here. So what we want to do, in my case, I'm just going to remove both. I'm just going to keep only one of them. I'm just going to go ahead and click on it and click on it one more time. And here I'm just going to change this to specification. And you also have the option to make it open by default, but you can even turn this off if you want to. So people need to actually click on it in order to see it. Next, you can feel free to add an icon to it. So I'm just going to add a random one here. Feel free to adjust the width of the icon. And once you're happy with it, you just want to go back. Go ahead and click on the text tab here and delete everything. After that, you simply just want to go ahead and go back and click on Save from the top right corner. Next up, we need to actually connect this text tab to a dynamic source. This way it's going to actually add the specifications of the product. So in order to do so, we need to actually use meta fields. So let's just go ahead and exit out of the editor. From the home page, you simply just want to click on Settings, click on Meta Fields and Meta Objects, click on Products, and we will need to add a definition. From here, just go in and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it specification. Next, make sure the type is a multi-line text type. Go ahead and save once you're happy with this. And now we're almost good to go. Now, what we need to do is just go ahead and go to the products section. Once you go to products, you simply just want to go ahead and open up each individual product and give them the proper specifications at the bottom here. We should be able to find here meta fields, and it's going to have the specification tab in it. Click on it and add the specification needed. Once you're happy with it, just go and click on Save and do the same thing for the rest of the products. I'm just going to do the same thing for this one. Once you save all of the products that you have, you simply just go back to Online Store, and now finally it's going to be the final step. We want to connect the text boxes for the accordion to the actual dynamic source. So just go back to the default product page. From here, just go to Product Information, Accordion, find the text option, click on it, and then just go ahead and click on Connect Dynamic Source. Go ahead and select the one that we have just created, which is specification, and we should be good to go. Click on Save, and you can actually see we have the specification here. So this is some dummy specs, low, right, left. And same goes if we go to the other product. So this is how to add the specification tab on your product page. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.